Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our Cold Brew Starter Kit. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Cold brew is one of our favorite ways to enjoy premium tea. As the name suggests, cold brew means brewing the tea in cold water instead of hot water. Cold brew isn't just refreshing, it also enhances a tea's aroma and sweetness, producing flavors that you might not taste in hot brew. Our Cold Brew Starter Kit gives you everything you need to explore this delicious brewing technique. Included in the kit, you'll find a leak-proof 2-liter cold brewing pitcher, plus samples of every tea from our cold brew line to explore. Each tea comes in a pre-dosed cold brewing sachet, making brewing and cleanup a breeze. The selection includes our Cold Brew Spring Jasmine, Green Oolong, Osmanthus Oolong, Honey Orchid, Roasted Oolong, Golden Monkey, Summer Lychee, and Assam Milk Tea, offering a wide spectrum of flavors from crisp and tropical to rich and mellow. Once you find your favorite flavors, refill packs are available at redblossomtea.com. Brewing instructions are included on each pouch, but preparation couldn't be easier. Simply add 1 sachet to the included pitcher, top up with cold water, and infuse in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. When it's ready, pour over ice and enjoy. To learn more about our range of cold brew tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.